90 degrees of our clinometer and subtract it to the angle. Because right now this angle is not the true angle of the rocket. So everyone do 90 minus 72. And Elijah, what do you get? 90 minus 72. 18. So 18 is the angle of our clinometer. This is the true angle. Okay, next is our meters. Now 65 feet is how high the rocket went, but we need to turn these into meters. So we're going to multiply it by a fraction to turn it into meters. These fractions are called conversion factors. We want to cancel out feet because meters is what our answer needs to be in. And we're going to use the number 3.28 feet as the conversion factor for 1 meter. Now 3.28 is something all scientists will use to turn feet into meter if they use 1 over conversion factor. So feet will cancel out. And what's left over will be 65 times 1 over 3.28. It's the same thing as 65 divided by 3.28. So Jimenez, give us that number. Thank you, Carlos. They're still doing that? 65 divided by 3.28. 19.8. We round 2 meters. So if we were going to draw a triangle of this rocket, it would look like this. This is where the rocket is. Okay, that's my rocket. And this is the angle, 18 degrees. And the length here is 19.82. Yeah. Yes. But we're still doing number 5 on the student 4's work. But I can give it back to you after this. So what we just did was set up our problem. So the rocket height can be calculated. The way you calculate this unknown height is tan theta equals, all right. Hopefully it's our physics stuff. We're going to get more physics equipment in a moment. Let's set that up. No. All right, let's finish this. So tan theta equals opposite over adjacent. Adjacent. Now, this is a math formula that is taught in many math classes. If it's new to you, you just have to trust the process and follow along. Theta is the angle. So what is our theta, Jesus? What's the angle that we found? What's the true angle of our clinometer? That's the length. I wrote the word true angle next to the 18. So everyone write tan 18. We're trying to find the opposite side of the triangle. This is the height, right? This is the angle of the opposite sides here. So adjacent is going to be 19.82. Oh, it's right there. It's a lot of stuff. Thank you so much. Now we're going to solve for the opposite side. So if I was to ask Shayna, if I want opposite by itself, how do I cancel out this divide by 19.82? How do I cancel it? Is it Shauna or Shayna? Sorry. Shauna, how do I cancel this out? By doing what kind of math? Well, it's already dividing. You have to multiply. So multiply times 19.82 to both sides. And then we're done. That's the last step. So what is... Actually, we're not done. We have one more step left. We have to add the average height of a person. You put in tan 18 in parentheses times 19.82, and it is 6.44. Yale taught you this? He taught you that? Wow. Okay, Yale, I have to make you a tutor because everything you taught him, I'll tell him later. Okay, so this is not our final answer because this triangle is only for the height of the clinometer. Under here is a person holding the clinometer, and that's 1.9 meters. So we have to include the person that's holding the clinometer. Where does 6.44 come from? Shauna, tell us where. What did you do? Jason. He did this. So try on your calculator. Hit tan 18 in parentheses times. What? What do we multiply up here? Here? This? 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 This is opposite. So in geometry, it's taught that you have tangent of any angle will equal this side divided by that side. So it's kind of like a formula. 19.82, but then I asked Shauna to cancel out the 19.82, so he multiplied both sides. Yeah, we have 1 minute left, so please pack up your stuff, everybody. No, keep that. These are your notes for your exam.